Nobody talks about how embarrassing it is to order at a restaurant that has weird names for their food. I was eating at one of those millennial burger places the other day where everything is overpriced, but as I was reading the menu, one specific burger caught my eye. It had bacon and grilled onions, so I knew that was the one I wanted to get, except there was one problem. It was called the Good Boy Burger. How do you expect me to look the waiter in the eye and say, "Hi, can I get the Good Boy Burger?" "Yeah, with extra freak sauce, please." I was in front of my family. I can't say that. But I really wanted that specific burger, so when the waiter came and asked what I would like, I just pointed to it on the menu, but he couldn't see it. So then I just said, what's the burger with bacon and grilled onions? And then he goes, "Oh, you're talking about the Good Boy Burger, huh?" Then I go, "Yeah, that's the one." And as he was writing it down, I saw a little smirk on his face. These places know what they're doing.